Hi, today we want to introduce Bazooka, our heavy-duty oven, grill and hot plate cleaner. We will provide you with an overview on how and where to use Bazooka, including sharing of important safety information. Bazooka is a new generation alkaline cleaning solution that will break down and remove carbon and grease deposits to efficiently clean ovens, grills and hot plates. Before handling Bazooka, it is essential that you wear adequate personal protective equipment, including protective clothing, heavy-duty waterproof gloves and safety glasses. We strongly advise you familiarise yourself with the directions for use, as illustrated on the product label, as well as the safety data sheet. Safety data sheets can be found on our website at truebluechemicals.com.au. For hot plates, grills and ovens, use Bazooka neat and apply evenly. For best results, apply to a mildly warm surface and allow the product to work for 5 to 10 minutes. Carefully agitate the surface with a scouring pad or brush to help break up the grease and carbon deposits. Wipe off thoroughly with a clean cloth or paper towel and then rinse with potable water. It is important to remove all chemical residues from the surface after using Bazooka. Remember to wash gloves after use to remove any residual product. And as a general rule, always wash hands thoroughly after cleaning. For further product and safety information on Bazooka Oven and Grill Cleaner, refer to the product label, the True Blue Chemicals website, or the product safety data sheet. Thanks for watching.